So students, today I'll show you how you should attempt a test using the portal and what are the things that you should keep in mind while attempting a test using the school portal. So the screen which I am right now is a screen which you will get when you click on any of the tests. Suppose I have taken a link from midterm phase 1 English which is for class 9. So this exam is already over. So for this video I'm taking this link. So when you click on the test link, this is the page that pops up, right? It'll show you the time limit and it'll ask you whether you want to start the attempt. So once you click on start the attempt, you should get your questions, right? So now I can see all my questions are here, right? So all my questions are here. So before starting the test, make sure that you scroll down and you see your name here, right? Right now you can see my name is written over there and I can see how many questions I have. I have all total 20 questions, right? So you can see question number 1 to 10 are highlighted. That means on this page there are 10 questions. So I have to answer 10 questions. So I'll just go up and fill it in. So I'm just filling it in random, so don't do it the same when you're in an exam. So I'm just filling it up. So I filled up 10 questions. So after filling it up, I'll click on next page. So what happens is that sometimes some of you get an error while clicking on the next page. The screen doesn't load or the website doesn't load. So what I would ask you to do is just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then click on the refresh button. So when you click on the refresh button, the page will load again and you will see all your questions again from question number 11. When you see an error or anything like that, don't just log out right away. You wait for 1 to 2 minutes and don't just keep on refreshing again and again. Just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then click on refresh. Alright, so now you can see the second page is also loaded. So I'll just fill it in. So I filled in. Now you can see here at the bottom the previous 10 questions which I have answered, all are marked with gray, right? So now I've answered all the 20 questions. Then I'll click on finish attempt. So some of you find error even in this page. You just wait for 1 to 2 minutes, refresh the page, you should get this page again, right? So now you can and some of you, what you do is like after clicking on the finish attempt, you just log out. You don't even log out, you just go out of the browser, right? But your answer is not yet submitted. For submitting this is just the summary page. That means whatever answer you have written, or for all the questions, it's giving a summary. For example, for question number 1 I have answered, then the status is the answer is saved. So you can see here all the answer is saved, but here question number 17 and 18 I did not answer yet. So that's why it's showing not yet answered, right? So whichever question you have not answered, it will show here not yet answered. So what you can do is you can click on return to attempt. So I can see here 17 and 18 is not answered, right? So I can go down and look at my question number 17. So I can see here the 17 question is not yet answered. So I can click on an answer 17 and 18, right? And there is another way of navigating your question, that is by clicking on the question. If I click on question number 5 here, it will take me to question number 5, right? And if I click on question number 20, it will take me to question number 20 right away, right? So I can click on finish attempt. So once I click on finish attempt, again it will show me the summary of my attempt and I can see all my answers are saved. So if you are happy with your answers, you can click on submit all and finish. Now some students, when you click on submit all, you don't get this pop-up and you get an error message. So in that case, just wait for again 1 or 2 minutes and then refresh your page. So when your page refreshes again, it will give you the summary. You'll get the summary again, right? So again you click on submit all and finish, and you click on submit all. So once you click on submit all and finish, you should get a page like this. So you'll get a page, this one, no more items are allowed, and finish submitted, and time will be given what time you have submitted, and no reviews are not permitted. Alright, so students, make sure that tomorrow when you're attempting the quiz, you see your name first, whether your name is there or not in the attempt, and then you check all your questions properly before submitting your answer. Don't just click on finish attempt and log out. After click on finish attempt, you scroll down, go to submit all and finish, and then you log out. And if there is any error at any stage, you just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then refresh. Because of heavy traffic, sometimes the web page doesn't load, so you just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then click on refresh.